Lenny, come here. What? Let's sing the song. Hi, this is Katie, Homestead Mama. Today is a rainy day on the ranch and I've got a toddler to entertain, so I'm turning to some quick, easy, cheap projects for her to entertain her. Using plastic cups, a ball, and construction paper. So we're going to use some motor skills, both fine and large motor skills, and also going to learn about some colors and some shapes. A good opportunity to start introducing those concepts if you haven't yet. And we'll be having fun with both her and the 6-month-old. Simply start out with some craft paper. Use whatever colors your toddler recognizes. If you're just starting out, then use just the primary colors of blue, yellow, and red. And see that I've already cut them all out. So just pile up the paper and make your cutouts, all shapes and sizes. And you end up with a bunch of multicolored pieces of paper that are fun to play with as it is. And they can sort them by shape or by color or both. Then add a bag and see the fun ensue. What are you doing there, girlie?
I don't know.
Which one is green like that one? That one's green. That's a green square. All right, good job. And can you find the green triangle?
There it is.
That's a green circle. Oh, very nice pattern. Now can you find another green one? What is that? That's a diamond shape, or maybe a kite, because Mommy's not a very good cutter. And what else is green? Can you find another green one? There's one. That's a green rectangle. You have a whole lot of green ones. Is there another green one?
No.
So we have paper cups and a ball. This is tons of entertainment for everybody, including the little one. So we can set it up. Lainey, do you want to play bowling? You can set it up to just a bowl, or you can do stacking, or just let her figure out what to do herself. Oh. Try again. Yay! Yeah, there you go. I hope this has given you some good ideas, and make any suggestions you'd like below, because I am always up for what to do with my toddler. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.
I'm gonna find those files, okay?